In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your DHgate profile and ensure that your payment method is verified. This process is essential to avoid any potential payment errors that might disrupt your shopping experience. Whether you're a seasoned e-commerce expert or new to the world of online shopping, understanding how to manage your account settings smoothly is beneficial. So let's get started. First, we'll begin by visiting the DHgate website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL DHgate.com into the address bar. Once you've landed on their homepage, you might notice an array of enticing deals and products. But for now, let's focus on optimizing your profile settings. Next up, log into your DHgate account. If you haven't logged in yet, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials and proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll see your profile or maybe a user icon in the same area. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring you to a more detailed view of your account. Within your profile, find the option labeled My DHgate. This is your hub for managing various aspects of your account, including orders, settings, and other personal information. Give it a click. Now you're going to want to direct your attention to the Account Settings area, which is generally available on the left-hand side or under a menu section, depending on the device you are using. Scroll down until you find Payment Verification in the list. This is a crucial step because verifying your payment methods helps ensure that you won't run into trouble when making purchases. Once you're in the Payment Verification section, check to see if your preferred payment method is listed and marked as verified. If everything is in order, you should see a status confirming the verification. If not, there might be instructions provided on the page to guide you through verifying your payment method successfully. This entire process should only take a couple of minutes, but ensures that your shopping experience remains smooth and uninterrupted. It's always a good habit to occasionally check these settings, especially before making a big purchase or if you've recently updated your payment information. And that's it. You're done. You've successfully navigated your DHgate profile and ensured your payment method is ready for action. Keep these steps in mind for future reference or share them with someone who could benefit from a smoother shopping journey. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.